What's an appraisal? What's an appraisal, and do I have to get one? Do I need one? I'm selling my house. Do I have to go out and find someone to do an appraisal? It's a good question. And depending upon if you're the buyer or the seller, different factors will make it different importance to you. If you're the seller, the buyer's lender is going to send the appraiser out to appraise your home. We want it to appraise typically for the sales price on the contract or even higher. What if it doesn't appraise? Well, if it comes under, then the buyer has a number of choices. The buyer can actually walk from the contract, or you can go back to negotiating. You can lower your price, they can bring more money, and some combination of the two. Now, as a seller, why is it important that your property appraise? A good pricing strategy will put your home in the position to make what we call make value. In other words, it's going to appraise for the sales price. So a good pricing strategy will get you there. That way, when you come to the appraisal part, you're not going to have any problems. It's not going to underappraise, and you're not going to have to risk losing the buyer or lower your price or somehow mess up the transaction. So you want to make sure that you have a good pricing strategy when you go to sell your home. It's one of our 16 key marketing systems, and that is to price your home correctly to make sure that we hit that value so that when that appraisal comes, then everything is going to be really good. It's Gary Evans, Evans Realty Group, and pricing strategy is one of our key 16 key marketing systems that's going to help you get your home sold fast for top dollar. So if you found this information helpful, please share it, like it, and we want to let you know we're on a mission to raise $10,000 for Texas Children's Hospital. Your business, your referrals really do help the kids at Texas Children. So thanks for watching this. We appreciate it. And you can always go to reportsbygary.com and order the report on appraisal. Reportsbygary.com. We'll get the information right out to you. And we hope everybody's having a great day. And we're going to talk to all of y'all again real soon.